What's up everyone? Today I'm taking over the channel and we will be unboxing the brand new Huawei Nova 5T.
And I am here too because I have to be. Anyway guys, as you already know, I'm here with James Reid and we have a star to unbox another star. So shall we get to it?
Let's get to it.
Alright.
So it's the Huawei Nova 5T and I think this color is Midsummer Purple, is that right?
It is. You're right.
Midsummer Purple. So it's got a 3D holographic design on the front. This one's my favorite.
Is it actually, it matches your shirt.
It does, that's why. That's why.
Plastic. Oh, I love doing that. Okay.
It's so satisfying.
It is.
Yes. Alright, take this up to you.
Maybe, no need for that. But maybe we can show them what else is inside the box before we proceed to the other part.
Sure. So we have plastic. And,
that's very detailed, James.
what's this?
We have the manual.
So we got the manuals and stuff here, and it looks like it comes with a case, a clear case. I'm just gonna slap that on. Whoops.
I can see you're very OC about your phone.
I like having a case on my phone, yeah. There, bam.
There you go, and because
Clean.
it's clear, it still looks good.
And of course we have the charger. The cable here, bam. And it comes with earphones, which is awesome.
How do you like the design of this phone? You said it's your favorite. Why is that?
I don't know, this year I'm just feeling purple. Blue's always been a favorite of mine. I think my ultimate all-time favorite color is green.
Green.
Yes, they also, but yeah, this one I'm really feeling this year, this color. I'm gonna peel this off. Or do you want to do the honors?
All right, then I shall. There you go. So, James, you mentioned earlier that he's seen the phone before, I've seen it before, and you've tried out the cameras.
Yes.
And what makes it special is it doesn't have 1, 2, 3, 4, it has
five cameras. Here you got 4 at the back, right there, and you got 1 more here in the front. And they're all AI-powered cameras, so they're very intelligent cameras that can follow face tracking, landscapes, wide angle. It covers everything.
Guys, I'm not needed here. I think I can retire. We have a new tech guy right here.
Let's go. I like how there's so many options. For me, I like that, being able to customize, being able to have a lot of options when it comes to taking photos and videos.
Actually, I really love the night mode of this camera. I've tested it out. And you know, sometimes you can go to the same place in the morning and at night, and it just looks, the feel is so different when it's dark.
Yes.
And it takes great photos.
So there it is. Voila.
The Huawei Nova 5T, guys, it's only 18,990 pesos. Yeah, and we were talking earlier, you said that you enjoy playing mobile games. So what game do you play?
Oh, when I have like free time or I'm waiting, I like play a lot of games, but mainly Mobile Legends.
Of course. So who's your favorite character?
Right now, Kufra.
I'm just kidding. I don't really play games, but it's great that you like Kuthra.
But tank, I play tank.
What's great about this phone is it runs on a Kirin 980 processor, so it can handle Mobile Legends.
Yeah, it's perfect for gaming. Like you want to experience any lag, and it's awesome.
Let's take pictures first.
Let's take a picture? Okay.
Yeah, why not?
The moment we've been waiting for.
Yes, of course.
So what mode do you want to use? Portrait?
We can try both. I mean, it's unlimited.
Okay.
It has. All right.
Here we go. There you go.
There you go. We have a selfie, guys. Proof of life. How can you, let's say, make the most out of it so you can have a really nice Instagram feed? Because we don't really walk around with a camera. We just use our phone for everything.
True. Actually, it's really kind of self-explanatory. Like, if you want to have great nighttime photos, use the low light settings for the camera, which it has really good low light settings. Also for wide angle, landscapes, everything. So let the camera take care of it for you.
So there you go. So that's a mark of
AI
a real
technology.
camera, huh?
Yes.
What's your favorite feature of the Huawei Nova 5T?
I'm always usually with the products that I use, it's always the design first. I want something that looks cool, that matches my style,
And your
my
outfit.
personality, and my outfit, of course. But yeah, the 3D holographic design is very unique to the phone. It really stands out.
That's true. So guys, there it is, the Huawei Nova 5T. It is, in my opinion, one of the best, if not the best, mid-range smartphone that you can get. I mean, 18,990, you get a Kirin 980 processor, 5 cameras, a selfie of James Reid. No, I'm kidding.
Yes,
Anything.
I invite you to check out the Huawei stores and have a look at the Nova 5T. It's new, it's young, it's really cool.
Alright guys, actually that's it for this video. Big thank you, James, for being here,
thank you.
taking over the channel. We're so formal. We're shaking hands. But yeah, thank you so much guys. I know this isn't our usual video, but I'm sure that you enjoyed it. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. So yeah, that's it. Bye guys!